In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your customer interactions using the Meta Business Suite inbox. This powerful tool allows you to view and respond to all your messages and comments from both Facebook and Instagram in one convenient location. By the end of this session, you'll be able to navigate your inbox with ease, ensuring that you maintain strong communication with your customers. To dive right in, the first thing you'll want to do is make sure your business page is properly connected to the Meta Business Suite. Go to facebook.com/business/suite. Once there, you should see an option to link your accounts. This step is crucial because it ensures all your messages from both platforms funnel into the same inbox, streamlining your communication efforts. Once you're set up, head over to the Inbox tab. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll find all your messages and comments neatly organized in one place. Not only does this make it easier to keep track of ongoing conversations, but it also reduces the chances of missing important interactions. The unified inbox is designed to help you manage your customer communications efficiently, which is vital for maintaining good customer relationships. Next, let's talk about filtering messages. This feature is particularly useful if you're handling a high volume of communications. You can apply various filters to quickly locate specific messages, such as unread messages, messages from Instagram, or ones that need a reply. This saves you time and helps prioritize your interactions, ensuring you address the most pressing inquiries first. While dealing with messages, it's also helpful to use automated and saved replies. Automation can be a godsend in managing repetitive queries. Consider setting up responses for common questions or scenarios. Not only does this save you time, but it also ensures your responses are consistent and professional. Saved replies are perfect for those frequently asked questions, allowing you to reply quickly and accurately. Managing customer information within the inbox is another fantastic feature. You can add notes about a customer or tag them for easier referencing in the future. This added personal touch can enhance your customer service experience, as it allows you to remember key details about your customers, making each interaction more personalized. Lastly, it's a good idea to set automated away messages. These are especially useful when you are not available to respond immediately. They inform customers of your typical response times, setting their expectations appropriately, and showing that you value their inquiries. By utilizing these features, the Meta Business Suite inbox can transform your customer communication into a seamless and organized process. It's all about making your interactions smooth and efficient, enabling you to focus on growing your business while keeping your customers happy and informed.